What's good, guys? I'm gonna do a bike check. I have another one, but I'm making this one because I got a few new parts and I got a new camera. I want to see how that is, and yeah. So I have Dehart grips with animal nylon bar ends, Kink Uptown bars with Kink Strief 2 forks, and then duo tires front and back. I have coming down Aliennation Black Sheep rim with a Mission Echo front hub, 2013 Kink Liberty frame. Obviously, I have a stolen Convict stem. I just got it. It's pretty nice. Coming back here, I have Mission Transit cranks with twisted PC pedals. I have a shadow chain with a Mission Nexus Sprocket. And then I have a animal seat with a Sunday seat clamp and a Friday seat post. And then I have Mission I have a Mission back hub. I have a fucking hub sound. Go look at it. Then I have a G Sport hub guard with a shadow peg, shadow little ones. So yeah, that's my bike. Thanks. Bye.